Today we are going to give lemonade a new twist using hibiscus petals. To start out, I am going to load a tea ball with some dried hibiscus petals, we are going to place it in a cup and add in some boiling water. Allow the petals to steep in the tea until it appears that the water isn't getting any redder. It does have a tendency to develop a strong color band near the bottom of the glass. You can stir it if you like, but I find the effect quite novel. I let it brew for about 10 minutes just to ensure I had pulled the sour and floral notes from the petals. Hibiscus is very well suited to working with lemonade due to the previously mentioned flavors, and the color is a nice addition. I then removed the tea ball. While the tea is still warm, stir in a teaspoon of lemonade powder until dissolved. Chill the beverage in a fridge until cool. Serve with an ice cube or two to further chill the beverage. And just like that, we have made a tangy and tasty lemonade that is sure to impress. Cheers. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blog.